Anyone can ride a motorcycle, but not everyone is born to work on one. Have you ever wondered if you were naturally meant to repair, build, and understand motorcycles? In today's video, I'm going to share 5 signs that may reveal you were born to work on motorcycles. Stay until the end, because the last sign might describe you perfectly. The first sign is that whenever you see a motorcycle, you don't just notice its color or style. Your eyes automatically go to the engine, exhaust, suspension, brakes, and other mechanical parts. Instead of simply admiring the bike, you start wondering how everything works together. This natural curiosity is one of the strongest traits of people who love working on motorcycles. The second sign is that you instantly notice unusual sounds. If a motorcycle makes a strange noise, you don't ignore it. You immediately begin thinking about what could be wrong. Maybe the chain is loose, the brake pads are worn out, or the engine needs attention. Skilled mechanics often develop this ability through experience, but for some people, it comes naturally. The third sign is that tools genuinely excite you. While some people enjoy shopping for clothes or gadgets, you get excited when you see a new wrench set, socket kit, screwdriver, or workshop equipment. You don't just want to own these tools, you want to learn how to use them correctly. That desire to learn is what separates future mechanics from everyone else. The fourth sign is that when a friend's or family member's motorcycle has a problem, your first instinct isn't to call a mechanic. Instead, you want to inspect the bike yourself and figure out what's causing the issue. Even if you can't fix it right away, you're eager to understand how the problem happened. That's how real mechanical knowledge begins. The fifth and most important sign is that you never give up when something doesn't work the first time. If a repair takes longer than expected or a part doesn't fit correctly, you don't quit. You keep trying, learning from your mistakes, and improving your skills. Patience and persistence are 2 of the most valuable qualities every successful motorcycle mechanic has. But here's something important to remember. These signs don't automatically make someone a professional mechanic. Becoming an expert requires proper training, hands-on practice, and always following safe working procedures. Passion is where the journey begins, but experience and continuous learning are what turn that passion into real skill. Now it's your turn. How many of these 5 signs describe you? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your fellow motorcycle lovers, and subscribe to the channel for more motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.